Let's create endpoint to list all the invoices. I'm going to create a get endpoint. The get endpoint is used to get all the resources. So path should be invoices and it will take callback method. I'm going to use request and response. Okay, prettier is giving us the warning. Request is defined but never used. Okay. So I'm going to send the JSON. Let's say here I'm going to create the invoices array. Const invoices. I'm going to send the invoices here. Let's try to test it. I'm going to run the server. We are going to send this simple empty array. If you go to the localhost colon 3000, I'm going to use Postman to test our APIs. Here you got the message, welcome to invoice builder. I would like to get the invoices. Cool, I got the empty array. Let's create some more invoices. The first one is, let's say, id, and I'm going to provide random id, the item name, or you can say that item name, payment, or maybe Amazon product. And here you need to specify the QTY, quantity. You can also specify the date here, new date. I'm going to copy the same object and paste them here. Cool. So we have created 3 objects inside the array. Let's change the name. You can also change the ID here. Let's change the ID. Google, LinkedIn, to make it more real. Let's try to test the invoices. Boom, I got all the invoices.